Whoever presses the button, their mom is dead. Oh, my mom's already dead.
Alright, idea.
Alright, so whoever presses the button first gets shot. Or like if I press it first, that means you get shot. But if I press it first, then or if you press it first, I get shot.
3, 2.
Alright. I need to get it first. Here. Shoot me.
Oh shit.
Come on, bro. You get this.
Raddi Allahu Akbar. Ya Motani, Motani. Oh, Astaghfirullah Muslimin.
I'm gonna talk about my darts.
Alright, press the button if you wear a hoodie every goddamn day.
I don't.
Alright, give me an idea.
Alright. Press the button if you want to throw a chair.
Alright, get your chair. Oh, what the? Oh, whoa. Press the button if.
What?
Press the button if you have over 53 Nerf guns. Press the button if there's a pillar inside of your basement. Press the button if you got banned from electronic from getting angry at it.
Yeah, I did. You're Discord free. Like if you go on Discord all the time, you don't stop. Nah. Oh yeah, you are. Alright.
Press the button if you regret moving. Press the button if you've been playing Roblox for over 4 years. Press the button if you started playing games in 2013. I started in 2011.
No. Press the button if you're sweating like a pool.
I don't know how to swim.
No, sweating.
Oh, if you don't like sweating. Oh
You know,
yeah.
like if you're sweating like a pool right now. I'm sweating like
Oh,
a pool.
I'm not then, so... This thing doesn't even work. Alright, press the button if you think that this is a mommy milky titty. Shoot the button if you think it's worthless. Shoot the button if you play Be Dead Forever Simulator or any game on Roblox on a daily basis.
I don't. So.
Blin.
I thought Roblox was like every couple of days.
Press the button if you know more than 2 words in other languages. It could be any language.
Spanish.
En español, diagrama el alfabeto quiere decir letras.
If you like men.
Oh, we're fucked. We're fucked. One of us has to